Hi guys, how's everyone doing? Hold on, let me try and see if this appears to you. Let me know if you can see that and you can read it correctly. I hope I flip the camera okay. Nope, let me flip it again. How about there? Can y'all read that okay? There we go. Well, guess what, guys? I finally did set up my Debbie's Design Diary DIY paint booth here inside Antiques and Collectibles. So it's still under Simply Chalk Design, and I have it featured here in my store at Antiques and Collectibles, 108 East Jackson in Harlingen, Texas. And this is awesome, guys. Awesome chalk paint. It's very versatile. You can use it on a lot of different surfaces. And we have anywhere between, let me see, 8-ounce sample jars that are $13, like for a small chair or a small table. Also, 16-ounce pint for a buffet dresser or vanity. And a 32-ounce quart, and that's for 150 square feet or several pieces, large pieces of furniture. So I have all the colors, you guys. I have all the colors. I have the dark wax, the clear wax. I have the liquid patina in the light. And then I also have the, I don't know what it's called. I think it's called something crystal chandelier or something or other. I need to learn all these names. So this is just a little setup, and I am going to carry the pixie brushes as well. But let me show you, you guys. Look at all of that chalk paint. Isn't that amazing? Just beautiful, beautiful chalk paint. And I have all the colors, you guys. I have, starting at the top, we have Apothecary, Beadboard, and they're in the 3 sizes, okay? I've already sold some. Can you imagine? I was setting it up and people were looking, what is that? I want some. And then I have Black Velvet, Bohemian Blue, Cake Batter. All that in the back is the liquid patina and the wax, the dark wax and the clear wax. Carnival Red is that one. Cowgirl Coral. Crinoline. Faded Burlap. Isn't that gorgeous, you guys? And I put little stickers on there so I could memorize these names. Then we have Farm Girl Fancy. Farm Fresh, right there. French Millinery, isn't that a beautiful color? Then we have Gravel Road. Gypsy Green, so pretty, you guys. Hey Sailor. Then we have Kissing Booth. Layered Chocolate. Letterpress Gray, that's a real pretty gray as well. And then down here, I have them in alphabetical order the way they are on our color chart here. We have Little Black Dress, right there, Little Black Dress. Then Marquee. Then Mermaid Tail, one of my favorite ones, I can already tell. Mint Chip. Look at that old 57, you guys. Beautiful turquoise old 57. That is old school, which is like an old school gray. It's really pretty. Pedal Pusher, right there. Then Petticoat Pink. Prairie Gray. That old school is like a charcoal. Yep. Really pretty. Then we have down here Prom Queen, and then everybody's favorite Queen Bee, Sandy Blonde, sea glass. That skeleton key. Summer Crush. Isn't that beautiful? Vintage linen. Weathered wood, which is like a dark chocolate brown. And then white swan. And right here, like I said, I couldn't remember this one. It's called Crystal Clear Chandelier.